Cost reduction using automation tools for condition monitoring. Industry use cases. Engineering. Chemicals and allied. Automobiles. Air conditioning and HVAC. Motors and pumps. Pharma. Condition monitoring parameters. Vibration. Pressure. Flow. Humidity. Proximity. Speed. Voltage. Current. Tool life. Optics. Gases. Weight. Smoke. Water quality. Level. GPS. Temperature. Count. Challenges and solutions. Challenges. Equipment breakdown causing downtimes. Provide early defect detection of the equipment and its failing components. Dashboard. Emails. SMS. WhatsApp. Real-time operational data to identify when a breakdown or failure may occur. Based on machine learning technique, baseline pattern and condition thresholds are established. Benefits. Prediction up to 96% accuracy. 70% reduction in manpower cost. 25% reduction in inventory carrying cost. 5% improvement in overall equipment and asset efficiency. Partners. Gear up now and embrace automation. Call us on or visit intssolutions.com.